welcome to the channel. If you're looking for a good one-day project, something that would be useful for you in your house, you might want to consider something like this key storage shelf to put by your door so you'll never forget your keys. Maybe you can hang them up or whatever. But I wanted to show you how it's made, and you can adjust however you want. The first thing is that this project will be 15 inches from top to bottom and 5.5 inches from side to side. From the bottom you'll come up 2 inches for your first shelf, and these shelves are 2 inches. These shelves are 2 3/4 inches tall and 4 inches wide. And they will look something like this when it's assembled. But you can do this simple project in a day's time and have fun doing it. You might want to do it with your children or let your children do it. It's something simple. We have this scalloped edge up here at the top that's rounded over, get you a nice form to it there. And on the bottom, you'll have 3 little key holders that will fit just like this, and they'll screw in there and they'll be permanent on there, and they'll hang there. So let's go ahead and put this together. The first thing I did was cut out all my parts, the shelves and then the top up here. That's all you need there. You can throw that away, and this is what you have left. Once you have this part done, you can refine it with a little sanding. Rounded over the edges up here so there'd be no sharp corners on this. You can take a hand router and round these edges over if you want to, with like a 1/4 inch round over, and it would smooth those up and make them look real nice. But we're going to go ahead and assemble it like it is. First thing I want to do is measure over 3/4 inch from the side edge. And this 3/4 inch is where we will place our first hook. When we put these key holders in, we want to line this bottom edge up with the bottom of our board. We want to kind of take our punch and drive a pilot hole in that to get our screw started. You can order these cup hooks from Amazon. These kind of look like a wrought iron finish to them. You can set your shelves up. These shelves are spaced out 4 inches apart, 2 inches from the bottom, then 4 inches and 4 inches. And these will just be glued on. I like to use the Titebond Ultimate Wood Glue Titebond 3. This seems for me to be the best glue for this type of project. we'll just let that set overnight to dry up. Alright, I'm almost through with this project. I've got the shelves glued up and they're ready to go. I've got the hangers for the keys on here, and I've also put a hanger on the back side to hang it on the wall with. And the only thing I have left to do is either sand it or paint it, one or the other, and I'm probably going to paint it. But one thing I wanted to show you is that whenever you make something, whenever you craft something, whether you sell it or give it away, it's entirely up to you. But the one thing that you should always do is on the back of your project to sign your project and date your project. Who knows, maybe 200 years from now it will be a collector's item. Who knows, but always sign it. And date it. Just make it a nice thing. You can even brand it if you have a branding iron, but I always sign them and date them. Tell me what you think. Is this a nice one-day project? If so, you can do that. Look at the dimensions on this. It's 15 inches tall. It's 5.5 inches wide. These are 4 inches by 2 inches. And then you have 3 cup hooks or key hangers that you can get off of Amazon, and 1 picture frame hanger on the back. So thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.